Hi, in this tutorial we will learn two new tags. The first one will be break, which means you will use it to make vertical difference on page between content, and the second one is a horizontal line, just simple horizontal line. So let's clean. Definitely need to clean the screen because it looks a little bit confusing. I don't want to confuse you because we are beginners. So let's just remove this thing and we will just have default paragraph. We will also, don't do that in your real project, okay? But I need, because of tutorials, next tutorials, I need to remove things from head section. Don't do that in your real project. I need to do that for a sake of space on our screen. So let's go with break. Just type br inside of arrows and you can copy paste that a couple of times, no problem. When you refresh your page, what you got will be this. So can you combine on same line more breaks? Why not? Let's say 3 pieces of breaks. There you go. Now the question is actually, because of different versions of HTML and extended version of HTML, there are also BR tags with slash, and they will work, and space and slash, they will also work. See, no difference. So we will just stick to default simple BR. So that's about it. Really simple, vertical space. Now related to horizontal line, just type inside arrows HR. You don't need to close BR and HR. This is their characteristic. There is no ending slash. So there is no start BR, end BR. So just simple BR. When you type HR, you will get what? Just single default horizontal line. Can you change the height of that line? Sure, just type size, and the size will be in pixels. For example, 20 pixels. You don't need to specify pixels, just type number. There you go. Now, can you change the color? Of course. For example, red. Refresh. There you go. So you have probably right now some kind of ideas about how to make your first really detailed page, but don't do that. Okay, what you need to do is save that time, save that urge, and do learn a little bit about CSS. You will be much more surprised what you can actually do. We are just learning basics here, so you have a really good ground for next tutorials, especially for CSS one. So that's the whole point of this really simple HTML videos, because I want you to have in shortest period of time good ground to go further. So what's next? Can we define width? Why not? Width is equal to, there is two options here to set in pixels width and in percent of the page. So for example, 50% of the page will look like this, and the line will be in center. So if you want to position your horizontal line left or right, you need to use align. Align to left, it works, and to right, it works. So you are pretty much good to go with this knowledge. What I was forgetting, yeah, in pixels, setting width in pixels. So let's say 156 pixels. It's really not important, the number is not important, but it's important that you can change them and you have both options. So percent of the pages and pixels. can you, what happens when you combine a couple of these? Okay, what's gonna happen? See, they are at the bottom of each other. What that means that you cannot just make horizontal line on the same line, so it will not work like that. So uh, the bottom line is, when you have horizontal line, at the end of it, it must be some new content, so there can't be something else. So it is horizontal line and it must be something down. You cannot continue horizontal lines like here if you want to make boxes. Don't do that. Okay, now you're probably having some kind of idea about, can you make some kind of interface or games or something. Good idea, but HR is not for that. Yeah, it's pretty much what I was trying to say. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.